Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, it's not really a tutorial, but I'm just showing my creative process. I'm just gonna get right into things and just show you how I get from start to end product for a design, or just kind of how basically I just make the process and just put things together to make a logo. And this is going to be for my little side business, Crafty Affinity, where I just kind of do little crafts and then kind of sell patterns, or going to sell patterns and do little tutorials for. So I'm just going to make the logo so I can then make my Shopify website, and then also just be able to put it on my socials or wherever I need to put the logo. Okay, so for starters, I already had a basic idea of what I wanted my logo to be. I've done a lot of different versions of my logo before this one, so I really just wanted to refresh it. I really like orange and blacks in brand colors, just because of the psychology of colors, like those mean bold, and I like what those colors mean basically. And because of my target demographic that I'm trying to attract, the theme was more along kind of like hot topic vibes aesthetic versus a lighter pastel aesthetic. Both would do the job, but my concept is to get like more people my age or around my age into crafts. But if anyone wants to craft, they are welcome. But on the other hand, a lighter pastel aesthetic might just attract a different market. So I just start with a black background and go from there, and that's just because I was just feeling black and bold. After I add the background color, I try finding a yarn ball as an element for my logo design. I just start throwing all the ones I like onto the page, and then I can go off of the ones I like the most. And then I edit some of the element colors, and then that's so I can also have some more inspiration to draw from. And then after that's done, I add in a crochet hook, because that's the craft I tend to use the most and more brand align myself with. While I do all the crafts, crochet will always be my number one, always be my fallback. You can crochet anywhere. just a quick video showing my process. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm gonna pick, but I'm really liking the neon green, white, and black combo. Maybe the one with the orange also in it together, I believe. And I just wanted to note a useful tool in Canva, which is the color selection drop tool. This is gonna help you color match any image and font together, or however else you could find that tool useful. And well, thank you guys again so much for watching. And like I've said in previous videos, I have a lot planned for this channel. Don't mind that the website isn't active or live yet. I'm still working on it, and it'll be available soon. I'm pretty sure no one's waiting for it, but just because I have it posted everywhere, I just want it available in my videos because they're going to be up for a really long time in the website. So I just bear with me. Thank you guys. Bye.